West Jordan, Utah, is no stranger to weather extremes. From heavy snowfall in the winter to intense summer heat, local homeowners understand that their homes must be built and upgraded to handle it all. One of the most critical yet often overlooked defenses against the elements is your windows. Old, drafty, or poorly sealed windows not only increase energy bills but also leave your home vulnerable to temperature swings, moisture damage, and more. That's why weather-resistant windows have become a must-have for West Jordan homeowners looking for both protection and peace of mind. Here's how these modern, high-performance windows protect your home from Utah's toughest conditions. Defending against winter cold and snow. West Jordan winters are known for freezing temperatures, snowstorms, and icy winds. Poor quality windows allow cold air to seep in and warm air to escape, creating uncomfortable drafts and forcing your heating system to work harder. Weather-resistant windows are designed with double or triple pane glass with insulating argon gas between the panes, low-E coatings that reflect heat back into your home, heavy-duty frames and weather stripping that seal out drafts. This advanced construction helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, even when snow is piling up outside, and significantly reduces energy costs throughout the winter. Blocking intense summer heat. Utah summers bring dry, sunny days and high temperatures. Traditional windows can allow UV rays and heat to enter your home, making it difficult to stay cool and driving up your air conditioning bills. Weather-resistant windows help reflect solar heat and reduce the greenhouse effect inside your home. With features like solar control glass coatings, UV blocking technology, energy-efficient framing materials, you can keep your home cooler in the summer without relying heavily on your HVAC system. Plus, these windows protect your furniture and flooring from sun damage by filtering out harmful UV rays, sealing out moisture and preventing mold. Extreme weather isn't just about temperature, it's also about moisture control. Rain, snow, and condensation can all find their way into your home through old or poorly sealed windows. This leads to water damage around window frames, mold and mildew growth, warped wood or peeling paint. Weather-resistant windows are built with tight seals and advanced drainage systems that prevent water from infiltrating your home. This protects your walls, insulation, and indoor air quality, keeping your home safer and healthier year-round. Withstanding high winds and debris. Utah's strong winds, especially during seasonal storms, can take a toll on your home's exterior. Weather-resistant windows are engineered to withstand wind pressure and flying debris better than standard models. They feature reinforced glass options such as laminated or tempered glass, secure locking systems to hold the frame tight, durable materials like fiberglass or vinyl that resist warping and cracking. These elements come together to maintain your window's structural integrity even during severe weather events. Long-term durability and peace of mind. Investing in weather-resistant windows is not just about surviving the next storm. It's about making a long-term investment in your home's durability and value. These windows are designed to last for decades with minimal maintenance, saving you from frequent replacements or costly repairs. They also boost your home's resale value, as buyers increasingly seek energy-efficient, low-maintenance, and weather-tough features in their next property. Final thoughts. A smart choice for West Jordan Homes. Weather-resistant windows offer an unbeatable combination of performance, protection, and energy savings. In a place like West Jordan, where extreme temperatures and changing conditions are part of life, upgrading your windows is one of the smartest decisions you can make as a homeowner. If you're ready to protect your home from the elements and improve your comfort year-round, connect with a trusted local window professional to explore weather-resistant options tailored for West Jordan's unique climate.